Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Nest. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software Nx CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD Nest YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the Nx CAD software. For that, go for software, right click on your software and give it as extract. If it is asking for a password, give the password. Here I have given a password as password itself, then give it as OK. Wait for the extraction process to complete. After extraction is completed, double click and open the software. Here first, before installing the Nx, you should install the Java for your system. Double click on the application, give it as install. It takes some time to install. After the installation of your Java, give it as close. Then go back, right click on your software and give it as mount. Here go for launch, right click, give it as run as admin. Wait for some time. Before installing the Nx, you should install a Nx license server. Here give it as OK. Give it as next. Here also you no need to change the installation directory. Give it as next. Then it is asking for a license file, and go for your software first. Under softskills and PLM license, you will be having a license file SPLM. Copy this, then save it on any other drive. Say I am saving it on E drive. Paste here and again go for installation. Here choose the directory. Under E drive SPLM 6, give it as next. Here give it as install. This may take some time depending on your computer performance. After the installation is complete, give it as done. And before installing your Nx, you should copy some set of files. Before that, go for C drive. Under program files, you will be having a folder called Siemens. Under that, open PLM. Here run the LM tools. Select the server, that is Siemens PLM. Then go for start or stop. Here stop server. The stopping server should visible here. Then minimize the folder. Then again go for your software. Go for Nx softskills. Under PLM license server, copy these two files and paste it in the C drive directory, give it as replace. Then give it as start server. It should show start server successful. Close it. After the installation of your license server, you should install the Nx. OK. Give as next. Under the type, typical should be selected. Give as next. Again next. 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 And give it as install. Depending on your computer performance, this takes a time. It may take up to 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Please wait with patience. It has finished. Go for your software. Under Nx you will be having some set of files. Copy all these files. Then go to C drive. Under C drive you will be having the same folder Nx. Replace these files. Go for paste. Here give it as replace. Do this for all items. Continue. After copying these files, your Nx software is ready to use. Then exit the installation window. Then go for Nx. The icon is visible. Click on this. Give it as run as admin. Software will be installed successfully. So before installation of this software, you should turn off your internet facilities and also you should turn off your antivirus.